travel is always exciting. The first place I went was Ecoland. Autumn flowers show the wonderful view. The sea breeze in autumn was also wonderful. The field of golden reeds is spread out. While I was looking at the buildings of the world, I found something interesting. There were pine trees near the buildings in Korea. Pine trees are green all season. I also looked around the traditional market. There were many fish such as trout, black froggy, and sea bream. There were also autumn fruits such as tangerines and persimmons. The fall is called the season of high sky and plum pearls in Korea. Even though I didn't use a filter, the sky is clear sky blue. You can see different flowers in this garden from season to season. The leaves are being colored one by one. It was perfect weather to walk. The sky, the wind, the sun, everything made me feel good. I couldn't find a thatched house in Jeju Island. This design can keep the roof from the heavy rain and wind. Besides this, I saw many beautiful sights. I finished my final schedule by watching the blue sea of Yeongdoam. I'll never forget this trip that made me feel the charm of autumn.